Hi, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, full of top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. So this week we're going to be using leftover royal icing to make the edible eyes. So what we've got is some black liquid colouring to colour a little bit of our royal icing, some white royal icing, some greaseproof paper and some icing bags that we've previously made on a 2 Minute Tuesday. So I've got the gloves on and let's get started. Let's have 2 minutes on the clock, let's go. So first of all we're going to add just a little bit, tiny drop. Just need a little bit, that's 2 drops in there, and we've got it dark grey, so we need another couple of drops. Need it dark. I've added more until I've got the right consistency as well as the right shade of black, and we've only had to use a few more drops and we've got a nice black there. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bag and I'm going to pop black in. To the end, and get a white bag and put that in there. Simply snip off. Okay. So we've got a bit of greaseproof paper, and all what we're going to do is, depending on what size eyes you want, is just you can do smaller ones, bigger ones. Then snap a tiny bit off the end, and all what you're going to do is add a little bit of black, now once these have actually dried, they can keep indefinitely really with all royal icing because it's set, and there you go. They can be stored for whenever we need them, for when we're making cupcakes or models or anything like that. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'm Lyle from Cake Craft City. Goodbye.